Alright guys, this is the Ridgid 6-gallon pancake air compressor. I just got it at Home Depot for $129, and they had Porter cable on sale. It was, well, a reduced price for 99 bucks, same size. So I just kind of went with this one. We'll see. Has a 2-year longer warranty on it, and same specs though, and a little quieter, so that's nice. Let's see what we get. Owner's manual. And the unit. I think it says it weighs 35 pounds. 150 psi. At 90 psi, delivers 2.6 Scfm. No idea what that stands for. Sorry. But yeah, that's all you get in the box. I'm using my Apple Watch to kind of use like a viewfinder. It's kind of cool. So very, very simple. It doesn't come with any accessories, just the compressor. You have pressure of the tank, and then the outlet pressure. You have 2 adapters for 2 connectors for your hoses. That's nice if you want to do a double thing, 2 people. Switches on the right side. You got your release valve, and then water drain, the water that collects on the bottom. You got a drain right there. Let's see how loud it is, or how quiet. Now, I was reading some reviews about Porter cable, and they said the instructions on the break-in is not clear. So let me look real quick and see if there's anything like that on this one here. Okay, so there is a break-in period, I see. On the owner's manual. Run the air compressor at 0 tank pressure with the drain valve fully open for 30 minutes. Oh shit. Okay. So that's just basically let it run and then just pump air right out with no pressure in the tank. And then you're good to go. I guess just break, wearing the little electric motor a little bit, get it broken in. So I will open up this valve down here. Oh, there's a little air in there. And let's just see how loud it is. It was making a little whistling noise because that valve's open, but yeah, it's not quiet. It's at 77 decibels versus the Porter cable, which was like 82, a little louder. So I'll run this outside probably because I got people trying to focus upstairs and cats and stuff. So yeah, looks like it'll be a solid unit.